Y'all. No, for real. Like, y'all, for real. I just figured out something. I just figured out a way to increase your royalties for your ebooks. I ain't even say that word right because I'm so excited. Oh my God. Okay, for real. Okay, so everybody is creating ebook content right now, y'all. Like, everybody is creating ebooks and all types of different publications and putting them on Amazon KDP. But did y'all know about Amazon KDP Select, where you let people that have an Amazon Kindle account read your book for free and you get paid by the amount of pages they read? And if you have an Amazon Kindle account, then you can. Yeah, I wanted to make y'all wait on that. If you have an Amazon Kindle account, you can download your own books for free and flip through them pages and get them royalties up. But make sure you advertise it. Advertise it to everybody and say, y'all can read my book for free on Amazon Kindle. All you got to do is get an Amazon Kindle account, because I got one. I read a lot of books, but I ain't really know about this little hack until today. So again, let me explain. Let me explain how you do this. I probably need to turn my phone sideways because I'm putting this on YouTube. All right, y'all. So let me be serious for a second so I can explain this to y'all. So and this is for people that's already publishing Amazon books, because I'm not about to explain anything previous to not knowing. So you got to already know about this to understand where I'm coming from. So, when you start creating your book on Amazon, it's asking you all these questions like, what's the title? Who is the author? Do you have copyrights, or is this a public work? Or is it a public domain, or whatever it say? So I always selected this is a public thing. Like, I don't know why I did that. Because in my mind, I'm like, do I got the copyrights to this book? Even though I wrote it. Yeah, I got copyrights. It's mine. It's mine. So in order to do Amazon KDP Select, you have to hold the copyright to your ebook. So you go in there and you check that box that say, yes, I own the copyrights to my ebook. Yes, I do. That's mine. That's mine. But yeah, so once you check that box, you move forward, you save your Amazon KDP ebook. But then you're going to go over to the marketing tab in Amazon KDP, right? And at the top, it's going to ask you about, do you want to enroll your ebook in KDP Select? Hell yeah, I do. Hell yeah, I do. Soon as you click that button to enroll, that book that you selected that you hold the copyrights to is going to show up in that box. And when it does, you better check that. You click it. Click your book. And I'm drooling. When you do, your book is going to be free to the people that have an Amazon Kindle account. And they'll read your book for free. Yeah, they getting off. But you are too, because you get paid based off of how many pages they flip through. Yes. So go ahead, my fellow published authors, and put your books on Amazon KDP Select and tell them I sent you.